The rectangular coordinate system can be created by taking two lines, one horizontal called the x-axis and one vertical called the y-axis, and intersecting them. Where they intersect would be the origin. And as we come out from the origin to the right, on the x-axis we have positive numbers. From the left of the origin, as we go left, we have negative numbers and along the x-axis. Along the y-axis, as we go up, we get positive numbers, and as we come down, we get negative numbers. So this creates a grid system, a grid-like system where we can plot data and graph equations. Our rectangular coordinate system is divided up into four pieces. The first quadrant here, is quadrant 1, is where x and y are both positive. As we go counterclockwise, quadrant 2, y is positive and x is negative. In quadrant 3, we see both x and y are negative, and in quadrant 4, x is positive and y is negative. Now normally when we plot a point using this system, we write, the notation we use is we quote the x value and then the y value in parentheses separated by a comma. So let's take an example of plotting some points. Let's plot the points A, which is 1, 2, coordinates 1, 2, and the point B, which has coordinates negative 2, 3. Now note, when we plot the point, remember, always the x value goes before the y value when we write it. So the point A has x equal to 1, y equal to 2. X equals to 1, y equals to 2, x equals to 1, y equals 2. Where they meet is about here, so that is point A. The next point B has x equal to negative 2, y equal to 3, so negative 2, horizontal, we go left, 2, up 3, and so it's approximately here, and that is point B. Here we have an application of the rectangular coordinate system. We have the net sales in billions of dollars for the store Target. And this is for each year, 1999 through 2003. So in 1999 there were $34 billion in sales. In 2000 there were $37 billion. 2001, $40 billion. 2002, $44 billion. 2003, $48 billion. So we want to plot this data using the rectangular coordinate system. We want to see a graph of this data. So we're going to let the years be on the horizontal x-axis and the sales on the y-axis. So if we're going to plot this, so the first point is going to be 1999-34. So here's 1999, and we go up to about 34, which is about here. The next point is 2037, 2000 and then 37, about here. The next point is 2001 and 40, 2001, 40, about there. The next point is 2002 and 44 billion in sales, so 2002, 44 billion, about here. And the last point is 2003, 48 billion, around here. So there's a plot of the data, and we can actually see now a visualization of the data when we can see that the sales have actually gone up over those years.